Welcome back to chapter 6 then. The final thing that we're going to look at, a very short recording, just to consider the effects of poor financial information. So we spend lots of time thinking about what information is, how I process information, what makes perhaps good financial information. And this last very short recording then, just thinking about what happens excuse me, if we don't have that, if we don't have good quality information. So when I say poor information, poor financial information, what am I actually looking for? So firstly, maybe it doesn't even meet the needs of my users. So I know that there are various people within the organization that are going to need this financial information, and if I'm not providing it in the right way, then it's worthless. Finally, then we also kind of spoke through those qualitative characteristics of information. So for example, understandability and comparability and so on. So again, information would be considered poor if it didn't meet that. Now, in terms of why it's a big issue, well, we've seen already how important it is that financial information is accurate, because the integrity of the financial markets, the stock markets, for example, depends on this. So I need to make sure that financial information is accurate enough to enable shareholders, for example, to make decisions on their investments. Finally, then, also thinking about the public interest. So when you're considering for example, buying a product, you need to know that if you've read somewhere, if you've read in the company's financial statements that they're doing well, they've got a good cash balance, and you consider them to be a safe place to buy, you need to know that that's true. So actually, poor financial information has an impact on a very large amount of people. Okay, that's all for chapter 6 then. Chapter 7 coming up next with a closer look at the business's finance function.